Hi everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I'm super excited. It is release day for Kat Scrappiness. We have a brand new release. We have 3 dies here and we have a stamp collection, so I will go get started. Here is the Kitty Chasing Butterfly die. We have a fish on word die with hook, a beer mug die, and these are all so much fun to put together and make projects with. Also, we have a new quokka in town. These are the crafty quokkas. Aren't they so cute? We have 3 quokkas here. We have coordinating dies to cut everything out and a paper pack to match. So there is so much cuteness in this release. You get 3 quokkas, die cutting, stamping, and coloring. You have all these fun images to put with them, like scissors, markers, paper punch, glue. They are just really cute and fun, and if you own any of the quokkas, you're going to want this quokka set to go along with it. And I will have intro videos for all these new products, and you can check out those videos. Also, here is a quick look at the Crafty Quokkas paper pack, and you get so many designs. This paper is great for all year round, not just to match with the Crafty Quokkas, but you get rainbow diagonal stripes, you have leaves, hearts, dots, polka dots, so much fun. And then we have 2 new glitter packs. We have a blue glitter and a purple glitter, and it's light to dark, and this paper is heavy duty, perfect for your projects, die cutting, perfect for these new dies in this release, and it is mess free and so much fun. I really love them. And also we have 2 hops that will be going on tomorrow, Saturday, where you can win the Crafty Quokka collection, or you can win a $25 gift card to the Kat Scrappiness Store. There is also a mystery discount here, Let's Get Crafty, where you can put items in your cart and see what your mystery discount will be at the Kat Scrappiness Store. So I hope you enjoyed the new release video. Have fun shopping, and thank you for joining me today.